Welcome to our first digital event. The way to productivity goes through automation. And for those who don't know me, I am Cinzia Schiatti, commercial manager and partner in the Schiatti Angelo SRL. And I thank you so much for being here with us today. Usually we meet at the exhibition where me and my staff have occasions of course, meet you in first, and second, to explain you what's new in the company. But unfortunately, because of the pandemic situation, it is not possible. So we organize this event to be close to you and to let you know what we did for you above all in automation. We have, first of all, take advantages from the technology, the digital technology, and we have implemented the remote maintenance assistance. We have created tutorial videos, webinars, and organized a WhatsApp line for helping you in technical problems. But the real reason of this is because we want to introduce you the new machine line we have created for you. And this is the double engine line for flat edge BFP35. But I want to leave the explanation of this line to Simone Ghisletti, who is in the production and can show you in details this machine.
Good morning and welcome to everyone. We are pleased to introduce to you our double edging machine line model BFP35 for processing flat edge with aeresis. It is composed by two double edging machines and two linking transfer tables. Every machine has 11 wheels per side between diamonds and polishing. BFP35 model allows the automatic processing of all four sides of the glass without the operator's intervention and ensures a perfect squaring. This line includes also an automatic glass loader which works together with the machines. Depending on the necessities, the line can be integrated with a drilling center and/or with an automatic unloader. A usual productive process starts with positioning the glasses into the loading area. The area near the loader is delimited by protection nets to safeguard the operator. The entrance is prohibited when the machine is working, so if opening the entrance door of the loader while it is in operation, it is stopped immediately. Over the cup holder frame there is a scanner which reads the barcode on every glass sheet. The relevant data are taken from both the loader and the first machine. Based on the codes in the database, the loader sets itself automatically, activating only the necessary suckers and calculating the loading timing, while the first machine sets the whole line. The PC of the first machine works as control center for the managing of all the operation of the lines. From the touchscreen it is possible to program and manage diamond wheels preset even singularly. Lubrication, control of the automatisms such as aligning, squaring, glass removal, polishing spindles, visualization of working data, arms gesture. The main electric box is self-standing and contains all the main electric and electronic components like the PLC, which is a modem for internet connection which allows to program and maintain the machine and other services inputs in remote. In every start, the machine automatically presets all the diamond wheels and lubricates them and the translation screws. When the glass arrives at the entrance of the machine, some mechanics readers take its position. The aligning group lines up the glass sheet to the fixed part of the machine, while the removal group sets the quantity of glass to remove for each side. The grinding and polishing process of the first two sides of the glass are made at a preset speed between 0.5 to 5.0 meters per minute. If the glass sheet is big, the central bar for supporting the glass automatically moves according to the glass size. At the exit of first machine, the sheet is moved into the roller section of the transfer table. When it is completely over the transfer table, the roller section lowers. The sheet is laid on the belts and carried into the second machine for the grinding and polishing of the remaining two sides. Before entering the second machine, the glass is stopped for the aligning and squaring thanks to the automatisms. If the glass is big, an automatic system on the transfer raise the glass for facilitating the squaring. Also in this case, the group that regulates the glass removal determines the quantity of glass to be removed for each side. Then the remaining sides of the glass sheets are grinded and polished. The following phase of dabbing is an optional. The sharp corners are dabbed 2x2 from this group. After the dabbing at the outlet of the machine, the glass is automatically pre-washed and the water in excess is blown away. After that, the glass is unloaded or goes through the other processes. The diamond oscillating spindle is an optional. It can fill the first position in 2 diamond section of BFP series. It is a spindle which has a peripheral wheel that facilitates in a substantial way high thicknesses grinding and laminated glass. Its oscillating movement helps to level the wheel's wearing. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.
Thanks, Simone. And now I would like to share with you some slides which can explain you better the characteristic of this new system. In the last year, the needs of reducing the human capital have switched the companies to look toward products of high degree of automation. The technology must be accompanied by easy use of autonomy for the management of the machine downtown. So the remote assistant becomes a must. The main characteristic of our double-edge machine BFP35 is, first of all, the made in Italy. This is the characteristic for all our products, and we kept also with this machine. And also the easy use for flexibility also in the production terms that ability of answer to the needs of the customer. The BFP35 is the new double-edge line born from the combination of the Schiatti flat-edge double-edge lines with the modern technology of fully automatic spindles. This new technology has been tested with success and satisfaction on our vertical lines called turnover lines, which is composed by 4 straight line edges and 3 turnover. But what fully automatic diamond wheels means? It means that the horizontal movement of the wheel, which in the past was carried out manually, is powered by brushless motors. This kind of motors not only are very compact, but also have a centesimal precision of movement. At this point, the movement of the diamond wheel is smooth and precise, and it is also displayed and controlled by the touch screen. So the operator doesn't need anymore to adjust each diamond spindle on the desired glass removal, because he can do everything comfortably from the operator panel touch screen, which is positioned close to the entrance of the line. An intuitive screen displays all the spindles of each bridge of the 2 machines of the line. The operator is thus able to manage up to 20 diamond spindles by himself and set each one on the quantity of glass to remove. Everything we described till now is certainly useful for quick use and setting of the desired glass removal on the plate, but there is something more. Having motorized and controlled the spindle, we also decided to create the software for the fully automatic management of the tool wear. When the line is started, the machine asks the operator to perform the homing of the diamond wheels and to proceed with resetting the wheels. When the operator presses the homing button, all the diamond wheels moves until they reach a predetermined reference point, that is a mechanical stop. Once at their destination, the motor stops and informs the PLC. The PLC compares the previous position of the wheel with the new one after the resetting and calculates the quantity of worn-out tool. Once the quantity of worn-out tool from the original dimension of the wheel is defined, the PLC brings the wheel to the right position to start the processing. Thanks to this new technology, we have reduced machine setting time by the operator to 0, and above all, guaranteed a uniformity of processing on glass plate. The automation of the line does not end here. In fact, we have implemented the software furthermore so that it is as flexible as possible, simple and intuitive for the operator. First of all, the new program allows the operator to process not only glasses with the same dimensions, but also glasses that are different from each other. The double edger are commonly used for series production, but for some years, also due to the continued increase of precision of glass sheet by end users, glaziers have been starting using these lines also for processing glass of different sizes, with obvious wasted of time and reduced production. The new software allows to optimize the process of this glass, guaranteeing a good standard production, suggesting the operator the best time to introduce the sheet, avoid the collision with the previous sheet, and guaranteeing, as far as possible, the saturation of the line for the optimization of the production of pieces of different sizes. The operator can work in conditions of extreme safety, knowing that he can never fail introducing the glass sheet because the PLC is controlling the timing of the loading. The line can fit all the options that Schiatti offers. The barcode can be supplied both with gun for manual reading, as we saw during the video contribution, or can be applied on a loader arm. This last application allows to further automate the production and also in case the operator is just a spectator of process that he previously had to manage manually. How it works? The reader is located on the rotating arm of the automated loader. While the arm is approaching slowly the glass, it reads the code and a green light starts flashing. It means that the PLC has received all the information, which are glass thickness, width, length, etc., and is preparing the line to accept those glasses. Once the loader has laid the glass on the roller frame, it waits till it receives a signal of line ready to work from the PLC and releases the glass for the automatic processing. Other interesting options which can complete the line are automatic glass unloader, edge grooving spindle, and hogging wheels. This last kind of wheel is useful above all when there are big removal of glass on thick or laminated glass. The hogging spindle is mounting a very aggressive diamond wheel, which, oscillating from bottom to top, is wearing out uniformly over its entire thickness, thus increasing its lasting. The peculiarity of this wheel is its great cutting capacity. It is therefore very useful on high thicknesses where the cut of the glass sheet is never optimal. In this way, it can remove large quantities of material without reducing the feed speed, requiring a little use of the other diamond wheels. And now, please feel free of putting me any question you have. Oh, I see that some question came during this program. The first one is, can the same automation concept that you have installed be applied on smaller machine? Yes, this system can be applied on smaller machine. It can be applied on double edger machines, like in this case, but also on a vertical straight edging machine. So it is possible. Second question, what are the dimensions in case of small spaces? First of all, we can make a customized machine according also to the space you have available. But considering that this system can be applied on any kind of machine, on most of the machine we manufacture, I can say that you can put on a small edge, from the small edger till the big edger. So by sure, between our range, we will find the right machine for you. Can I upgrade an existing machine? Yes, an existing machine can be upgraded to this system. The question is that anyway, we should change the spindles because the type of spindles are different from the standard one, which we should change also the electric plant and the PLC. So at the end, probably the cost will be rise too much. So it's better to buy a machine already with this system. which is the delivery time. The delivery time, the standard delivery time is from 120 up to 150 days from the order confirmation. Does the operator's work consist only of replacing worn out material? Basically, yes. But we need anyway the operator for only one in this case for checking also the position and from the PLC the position of the wheels and how they work. It's only controlling. Only the manual work is the one of changing the worn out parts.
Can work this bilateral machine with low E-glass? Yes, it's possible because the upper belt of this machine are belt made of natural rubber, so they can leave or mark the glass.
If there are any questions, please go ahead and put it to me. Okay, it seems that we have another question now.
Yes.
Just be patient for a while. They transmit me.
Will it be possible to put the next glass sizes to bring the current glass grinding? Okay, we can processing different glasses machine working automatic with that, so that you can bring one glasses and the second one of different dimension, and that be made or manually or with barcode or with a table that we have inside of the machine, and we can full of different sizes of glasses. Machine adjusting the size, the dimension of the glass, and so machine decided when one glass starts to go inside, when the other glass that is in different dimension finishing.
We can also say that while the second machine is finishing the glass, the first machine can already start setting it on the next size. And the line will start immediately as soon as the second machine is set to the size.
Which is the velocity for opening and closing the machine for different sides of the glass. We have two different type of moving the bridge. First type move till 3 meters per minute the speed. Instead, second type move up to 8 meters per minute. It means only for size or for thickness? Clearly for size and for thickness. So we can processing different glass size and different glass thickness. Okay. Can we connect the machine to the company software to control orders? Yes. In machine we can put a system that can connect directly to the database of the factory. So machine can connect it to the database to receive information from glass size, thickness, dimension, polishing, dabbing, and then after our machine can connect to send information to the database of production of the day and so on. If we have a few peaks of glass to do only two sides position, not all four sides, can we load the glass from the loader transfer table into the second double edger by passing the first double edger? Yes, with the barcode and connection to the database of the factory, we can put inside of the machine directly some information about the glass. So information about polishing or not polishing, grinding or not grinding, only pass through the machine or finish to working on the first machine. All this data can be sending directly to our software, and the software will decide what can be done on the first and the second machine. When grinding a laminated glass, what will happen to the PVB? All the water and the dirty during the processing glass is going inside a tank, And in this tank, if the customer will processing a lot of laminated glass, can be put a sort of cover to cut out all the plastic or the PVB for not go inside of the machine again.
Maybe we must also add that on all our machines in general, we have a possibility of blowing air inside the water plant so that the air is cleaning out the pipes, bringing water to the wheels. In this way, if there is any small PVB left, it's completely removed in this way.
Okay. How long will it take to change grinding wheels? As you can see on the video, the last video about the changing of the wheels of edging wheels is very fast. Require really few minutes or exactly few seconds. So it's very fast. And all this processing can be from the operator, not inside of the machine, but outside of the machine for its safety. Some customer ask if it's possible to put inside of the machine dubbing device. The answer is absolutely yes. Are all the tools screwed to the spindle by a central bolt, or only those of the oscillating spindle, all diamond and polishing wheels? Yes.
If you have any other question, please, this is the right time for putting them. Okay, it seems that we have answered to all your questions. I thank you very much for being with us in this first digital event, this presentation. And they tell me that we still have 2 questions.
Is there a possibility to put a Serium wheels? Yes, for sure. We will put the third polishing wheels and the fourth polishing wheels are impregnant Serium wheels, not clearly liquid Serium, but it's possible. Is it possible to put on the machine grooving tools on the surface and on the edge? This is for both or only one of the two? Yes, it's possible. Clearly, grooving is a wheel that leaves some space on the machine. So if you want to put grooving wheels, we can leave or one diamond or one polishing. How is the control of the tools? Tools are controlled by brushless, motor brushless, are very precise motors that are controlled directly by PLC.
Okay. If you in the future will have more questions,
One more.
Sorry, one more question.
What is the brand of PLC used for this machine? We use a very famous brand, is Mitsubishi from Japan.
Okay, seems that we don't have any more questions. But if you have any other left, feel free of contacting also me at c.schiatti@schiattiangelosrl.com, and I will be happy to answer to all your questions. So for today,
we have one more.
No, we have still more.
The last
one left. The last one.
It's possible to change the language of the PLC to local one. Yes, we have this possibility. Only we need a good translation for a different language, that is Italian or English or French or Germany, but it's possible. How liter of water you need in the complete system? Okay, the quantity of the water depends by mainly the pump that we use on the machine. Normally, we require more or less 400 liter per minute per single machine. Okay. Are the wheels special one or special for the machine? No, our wheels are standard wheels that we use normally on other double edger, straight lead edger, so nothing of special.
Okay, this time I must I say really bye-bye to you. It was a pleasure to show you our news. It was a pleasure to have you here, and I hope to see you soon, face to face, and share with you the coffee or a beer in an exhibition all around the world. Thank you for your assistance, and don't forget, if you have any other question, just send me an email at c.schiatti@schiattiangelosrl.com. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you very much.